how to manage your fear of financial instability. When we are in our entrepreneurial journey, and earlier, when we came from a job background, we used to see that steady flow of income, coming into our bank account day in and day out. But how do we manage this fear of financial instability is the topic for today. So for this particular thing, I would really want you to start with a financial safety net. Now, what is this financial safety net? Build up savings that can cover your personal business expenses for at least 6 to 12 months. Now, how does this help? When you create this financial safety net, this will act as a buffer, because when your business will take traction, it will take some amount of time for your business to gain traction. So in that time period, this financial safety net is going to support you, because business will not start paying you from the very first month. So point number one, ensure that you have enough buffer when you are entering into your entrepreneurial journey. Now, the second thing that I want to talk to you about is start your business as a side gig. Whenever you're launching your business, launch it while you are still working full time. Now, how does this help? This will help you to test your idea. It will help you to generate income without fully relying on your business income initially. And that pressure that you have on your head, that I need to perform, I need to excel, that desperation is completely gone when you start your business as a side gig. Then another aspect is budgeting wisely. I would want you to create a detailed personal and business budget. Understand your essential expenses. What are your essential expenses? What are your daily expenses? What are your necessities? And also look at your non-essential expenses. All those things that just drain your money. And when you realize that you are reducing your non-essential expenses, you will give yourself more financial flexibility to move ahead. So I would really want you to start budgeting your expenses so that you are really cognizant of where is your money going. And in this while, also look for alternative sources of income. Like, I have always been fascinated by this whole concept of money making money for you rather than you making money, you doing that effort and making money. So start looking at those options for investment. Start looking for those options wherein you can actually let money make money for you. Or you could also consider, doing some freelancing work that would help you in your transition period when you are wanting to move from a full-time job to an entrepreneurial journey. And I cannot emphasize this enough. Let this transition be gradual. Say you are in a full-time job today. Once you have built your business, once you have tested your idea, once you've created your business plan, once you've started generating some money, from the business, look at taking some part-time work. So it could be you are spending half of your day to your job, half of your day to your business before you're fully transitioning into your entrepreneurial journey. A lot of my clients ask me that, Nirupama, should we go for a job which gives us more money, or should we go for a job that gives us more time to build our business? And my answer is the second one. Find a job that gives you more time, because that will give you more financial stability during that shift. So I would really want at this stage that you start adding some of the strategies from your side that you think can help in getting financial stability. Let me know in the chat section.